Alarming news tonight about a potentially deadly threat to public health. It's a disease you may not have even heard about. Fox News senior national correspondent John Roberts has the story from Atlanta.
The headline from the Centers for Disease Control today: MERS is in the heartland. An American doctor from Indiana who had been working in Saudi Arabia came down with symptoms on April 27th. The next day, he was in the hospital, barely able to breathe.
So far, we know that when this virus has been detected from someone who has clinical illness, 1 out of 3 times the person may die.
MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, first appeared in Saudi Arabia in 2012, suspected to have come from camels. Of the 262 confirmed cases in 12 countries, 93 people have died. CDC officials say the man traveled from Riyadh to London Heathrow Airport on April 24th. He then boarded an American Airlines flight to Chicago's O'Hare Airport, and from O'Hare took a bus home to Munster, Indiana. The CDC and British public health officials are urgently trying to contact people who were on board with him.
If you don't have symptoms, things should be fine. We want people, though, who were in close contact with the patient to be monitoring for symptoms, fever, shortness of breath, or cough, and to let their provider know.
MERS is caused by a similar virus to the one that led to the SARS epidemic from Asia in 2003. There is no treatment and no vaccine. At present, the virus is transmitted only through close contact, but public health officials are very concerned that could change.
It could evolve by mutation to get better and better at spreading among people. Thank goodness right now it doesn't do that, with the exception of some very, very few family clusters.
The Indiana patient is in stable condition, on oxygen but not a ventilator. And while the Centers for Disease Control believes at the moment there is no broader public health threat, they worry that an explosion of cases in Saudi Arabia, more in the past month than in the whole of last year, may lead to more illness here. In Atlanta, John Roberts, Fox News.